guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. My channel is about motherhood, thrifts and finds, and beauty. I'm a really huge fan of home improvement on a budget, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I've managed to improve some pretty little small things in my space without spending that much money. And this thing is Bay. Spray paint is Bay for anyone who wants to improve their home in like the smallest little details that make such a huge difference. So I'm going to be showing you a mirror that I bought from day-to-day supermarket in Eastleigh. I bought it in the color, I don't even know if it was like silver or just had a different color. I didn't like the color, but I liked the design, so I decided to spray paint it. Then I also had a bottle which had shampoo. I was gifted by Marianne. Biscuits, big up. Yeah, she gifted me during my birthday, and so I really loved the way the bottle looked. I decided to transform it and use it in my space as a soap dispenser on my sink. I'm going to be showing you guys how that turned out. Amazing. I really love it. The other thing is a candle holder which I thrifted at it in Gikomba. I got it for 300 bob. It was very good condition, very clean, very strong, but I didn't like the color of it. So I wanted to transform it into something nice that I could use in my space, and it turns out magical. So that I also spray painted. So all of these things I spray painted them gold, but you can literally buy any spray paint color from the supermarket or from Textbook Center or from Myra Crafts. I think her shop is at Sarit Center. So all these places have DIY stuff that you can get at a good price. I got my spray paint from Naivas supermarket. So the gold one is usually a bit more pricey compared to the other ones, but averagely you should get a spray paint from between 250 shillings to 400 shillings. Yeah, so I really hope you get to enjoy the video and you learn a thing or two about improving your home. I don't know about you, but I love a home that represents who I am, so that when I walk in I feel like it's a place of comfort. So that's why I do small little things to change it into something that I really love. So I hope you do get to enjoy the video. So guys, this is the mirror from Eastleigh. Then there's the candle holder from Gikomba and the shampoo bottle, as well as the spray paint that I'll be using. I started out with laying out the space where I was going to spray paint, because you need to have a paper to cover the extra spray paint that goes over. The spray paint that I'm going to be using is in the color 18 karat gold. Yeah, this is the GBG spray paint. I love the color that it comes out with, so you guys will see at the end of the video. Then this is the shampoo bottle that I was talking about. Initially it had shampoo. I think she got it from Miniso, if I'm not wrong. So if you like the shampoo as well, you can head on over there and pick yours. This was a really good shampoo to have. I enjoyed using it. Thank you so much, Marianne, for making me smell fresh for the time that I was using the shampoo. Then I have this sort of like a gold glitter-ish pen that I thrifted. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this for this project, but let's see how it goes. Then the last thing, of course, will be the candle holder. It had a color that is silver-ish that wasn't so clean, but I really loved the design. I thought it would look amazing if I displayed it. So that is why I'm spray painting it into the color gold. And then I'll show you guys how I'll be using it in my space. The last thing you need, of course, is a glove. Very important to have this because spray paint can get a bit messy. So you want to be able to protect your hands, and also if you have like you've done your nails, you don't want the spray paint to mess you up. So I'm just going to start with the candle holder as well as the soap dispenser, which is my shampoo bottle. The first thing you want to do is ensure you thoroughly shake the spray paint bottle to just ensure that the paint mixes well, so that when you start spraying it's not clogged. It comes out at a standard rate. So shake as much as you can and then just start applying softly on the so myself, I started with the candle holder, just by easily and softly applying the spray paint. So for the mirror, I had to cover it up. So I used a newspaper and a masking tape to just cover the areas that have a mirror to avoid spraying the inside part of the mirrors. So this took a lot of time. So I would advise, if you're doing such a project, just ensure you have time on your hands, because I was planning to go somewhere and I arrived really late because I had to finish this project. So just ensure that as you choose a project, you know that you can literally sit down and think about the time that it will take to work on such a project. Nevertheless, it was successful. I was able to cover all the parts of the mirror. And yeah, so I'm just going to forward this part really quickly so that we can see how it looks once it's done. So guys, this is the final result of the mirror, how it looks when it's covered. I lost the part where I recorded as I was spray painting the mirror, so I'm just going to show you the end result. Guys, this is the final result of the mirror before hanging it on my dining room mirror wall, which I'll show you the final result. And I already love it. So I haven't removed the newspaper sections yet, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks after the spray paint dried. It looks really nice. The gold color is perfection, guys, perfection. I really love it. I can't wait to show you guys the final result, so stick around on this video to see the final outcome. So I just laid out the mirror, and this is the time that we took to remove the newspaper so that we can have the final result of the mirror. Of course, I got help from my little one, who also enjoyed doing the final part of this project with mommy. One by one, we're going to remove the parts that we had stuck onto the mirrors so that we see the final result of the mirror without the coverings that I have been showing you guys. I'm really sorry I missed the part that I recorded while spray painting the mirror. For some reason, I could not find that part of the video, but I hope that this is good enough to explain to you how you can do it, how you can cover the areas that you don't need the spray paint to touch. We are removing the final part. Yay! Finally, we made it to the last part of removing the newspaper, and I already love how the mirror is looking. So let's see how it's going to look once we display it. Okay, so guys, this is the final result of the candle holder. I love it. It's very crisp, it's very clean, it's so easy to just place a candle and see how it brightens up the space. It is not your normal candle holder. It's beautiful. I love the gold detail on it. Looks amazing. So this is how the final look of the soap dispenser looks. I really love it. It gives the sink a really clean and hyped look. And so this goes to show you that you can change the look of your sink by something as simple as a spray paint on a bottle. So yeah, you can give it a try and show me your results on the comment section. I would really love to see what you guys are doing to improve your home, to make it look better and more bougie. subscribing. If you're new here, karibu sana. I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel, for believing in my content and for giving me the opportunity to share with you. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Please continue liking my videos. Please continue commenting, letting me know the topics that you'd like for me to discuss. I will really appreciate it. Okay, so before I go, I wanted to show you guys this chain that I got from Beauty Galore Kenya on Instagram. Their page is at Beauty Galore Kenya. I got this chain from them and I really love it. It's written blessed. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it comes out really nicely on I'm just wearing an official white top. Let me try and zoom you guys down a bit. It's an official white top that I got from Think Twice. It has these padded areas which I really love. I got it for 100 bob as well from Think Twice. My hair was done at Umoja Market. I'm going to be linking down in the description box the number of the lady who did my braids. I really love them. They're knotless braids. Right now I've had them for I think a month and they're still in good condition. I can be able to stay with them for probably another 2 or 3 weeks. And yes, I really love the mix of colors that I used. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video, and see you next time. Bye.